Okay, today I am at Starbucks Coffee in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Okay, and so to speak English, we must open our mouth. In some languages, when they speak, they do not open their mouth. Their mouth very closed, do not open their mouth to speak. Okay, and they speak flat. Speak like that. In English, we don't do that. Watch my lips. Watch my lips. We open our mouth and we make the sound of the consonants clear. The consonants, the C, K, T, F, G. Okay, so we make them very clear. We say we enunciate our words. Enunciate our words. That means we speak very clearly. All right? So I have some sentences. Practice saying this after me. The baby bird in the city ran from the cat and the dog. The baby bird in the city ran from the cat and the dog. Listen to that again. Listen to the final consonant. The baby bird in the city ran from the cat and the dog. Okay, so we have some consonants there. One more sentence. My dad ate dinner. He's full. My dad ate dinner. He's full. Ooh, so all of those consonants, look at the ABCs. All of the consonants, the final consonant of the word is important that we make that sound, all right? Listen to this video again and practice saying it. Remember, you must open your mouth. You cannot talk like this. You must open your mouth.